They're the most slimy and despicable people in the world. As attorneys, and you think that you would not need 300 attorneys to try to combine to try to cheat a pro se litigant who's a veteran to try to beat him. And by the way, I'm gonna say this also because I moved to disqualify him. Judge Huey had no business being on my case. He's actually a witness in my federal in the federal case because Judge Huey was a part of the. He was an interested party for the person who sold me the properties, and he already knew he shouldn't have been there. But he actually cited a case, and when you go read the case, it doesn't quite apply the way he tried to apply it. And Judge Huey claims to be a he teaches contract law. So I went to the case that he cited, and it says it's well settled that in this state, meaning Florida, that a stipulation properly entered into and relating to a matter upon which is appropriate to stipulate, a matter appropriate to stipulate, which would not be the fraud and the inducement, would not be the conduct of people who were not involved in the automobile crash on January 16, 2017, is binding upon the parties and upon the court, no doubt. Furthermore, unless grounds for rescission or withdrawal are shown, it's bound to strictly enforce the agreement between the parties. Nobody argues that. But within here, y'all need to y'all see this, right? I hope I'm showing y'all the right thing. Make sure y'all are looking at, not looking at. Oh, y'all looking at me. Shit, hold on, my fault, people. Oh no, you're looking at the Johnson versus Johnson case. But if it's induced, if it's brought about by fraud or some other, see that? There we go. These principles are in recognition of the value which stipulations bring to the legal system in terms of simplifying issues, limiting or shortening litigation, saving costs to the parties, and preserving judicial economy and resources. There's a case.